This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Lex, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
In this video, we'll be talking about advanced DApps. Well, what is a DApp? A DApp is a decentralized application that runs on the blockchain network, and rather than relying on a centralized entity or a server. So now, what is an advanced DApp? Advanced DApp is a sophisticated application that is built on the blockchain and integrates complex functionalities, multiple smart contracts, on-chain services, and interact seamlessly with decentralized protocols. Now, there are so many key features for advanced DApps. Some of those key features are complex business logics, multi-role user management and access control, DeFi and tokenomics. So these are some of the key features of advanced DApps.
Key features of advanced app, like wallet connect. This is a process whereby you connect wallets to the DApp. Wallets like MetaMask extension, wallet connect extension, and we use external protocols like Uniswap to connect the DApp. And there's also a feature of decentralized organizations, that's DAO, whereby users get to vote on the protocol on how to improve the DApp and on how to improve processes that has to do with the DApp and all that. Implementation of protocols like Chainlink, whereby we use Chainlink or protocols like that to get real-time data, and like IPFS, we also use IPFS to get to store data off the blockchain.
Examples for dApps like this, we have Uniswap. Uniswap help to swap tokens across protocols, across chains. They also help provide liquidity and the rest. We have, in terms of gathering medical information databases. So before now, in Web2, we've had issues of data bridging, data sale, and users don't really feel secure. But now we have it more secure, being that the data are not directly attached to you. They are basically just wallet addresses. So, and also they are stored in a decentralized database storage, e.g. IPFS, where these informations are hashed, and then users or viewers no longer have access to your actual information. Plus, there are no downtimes like we've experienced before now in Web2 and the likes. So basically, what the advanced DApps have come to help you do is bring equal opportunities, make sure that everybody has access to the platform, make sure that there's security, make sure that you are not limited by chain or protocol, and also make sure that data is securely saved and always available for query.
So for more content like this, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.